My paternal grandmother was a nice traditional Punjabi lady and she did हाय 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 बेटियां ही बेटियां पाठक खानदान का नाम कौन चलाएगा. As it happens, all the पाठक girls have done damn well. एक लड़का था उसने middle of मंडी हाउस, मैं पीछे मुड़ के बोली क्या बोला फिर से बोल. वो फिर से बोला और बोला बोल क्या करती है. जिसने गलती की वो पलट के सामने जवाब दे रहे हैं. Nasir said to me very early on in our relationship that it's a good idea never to label a relationship. Husband, wife, lover, girlfriend, boyfriend. If you can just keep yourselves more at the level of human beings interacting, it helps. Nasir's family surprisingly didn't make a fuss at all. Nobody ever even mentioned the C word, convert. Nobody said anything. Supriya and I fought mainly because of me. I was a very big bully. There's plenty of flirtation and sex happening, I'm sure, on the set. But if it's consenting adult, what's the problem? I'm Ratna Pathak Shah. You're watching me on Horterfly.
हाय रत्ना जी, वेलकम टू द मेल फेमिनिस्ट. कैसी हो आप?
बस मजे में, थैंक यू.
मेरे को ये बताओ, आप मुंबई में आपकी अपब्रिंगिंग रही, तो मुंबई हमेशा से इतना कॉस्मोपॉलिटन और इतना फॉरवर्ड था, इतना अलाविंग था फॉर वुमेन टू बी व्हाटएवर दे वांटेड टू बी?
यस, ज्यादा था इनफैक्ट. मुझे पहले कभी डर नहीं लगा सड़कों पे चलने में. हम लोग आराम से 9 से 12 का शो देख करके रात को अकेले आते थे पैदल चल के. तो फिजिकली आई वाज मच सेफर. क्राउड कम था. वी वर सिविलाइज्ड सिटी, प्रोबब्ली द ओनली वन इन द कंट्री, यू नो. मगर दिल्ली के मुकाबले में हम लोग बिल्कुल वी वर इन पैराडाइज.
आई एग्री, बट कभी कोई अनटोवर्ड इंसिडेंट आपके साथ नहीं हुआ शहर में?
The occasional grope in a bus या ट्रेन में किसी ने हाथ लगा दिया.
इतना नॉर्मल क्यों है यार किसी भी महिला को ये बोलना कि हाँ नॉर्मल ग्रोप इट्स नॉट नॉर्मल? तो ये आप प्लीज पता नहीं क्यों करते हैं नॉर्मल ग्रोप या टच इन द ट्रेन. दूसरी बात,
इट्स अ मिस्टेक. इट्स नॉट नॉर्मल बट इट्स व्हाट almost
It's so
every girl
usual ना.
has gone through. मैं पढ़ने गई दिल्ली. एक लड़का था, उसने कुछ जुमला कसा. Middle of मंडी हाउस, right in the circle, right there with hundreds of people all around. मैं पीछे मुड़ के बोली क्या बोला फिर से बोल. वो फिर से बोला और बोला बोल क्या करती है. I was just पहली बार मैंने ये सुना कि
ऐसा भी होता है.
जिसने गलती की वो पलट के सामने जवाब दे रहे हैं. उसको बिल्कुल अपनी गलती का एहसास नहीं हुआ. I was appalled. I'd never seen that.
वो करेज भी कहाँ से ला रही थी जो आप पलट के बोल रही थी?
बम्बई से. बम्बई में that was what you were expected to do. और सामने वाला जरा शर्म से आंखें झुका लेता था. But not in Delhi and probably not in many other parts of the country.
मुझे ये बताओ, आप 2 बेटियां हुई थी, तो तब उस जमाने में आपकी माँ को कुछ सुनना पड़ा हो? क्योंकि
हाँ जरूर. My paternal grandmother was a nice traditional Punjabi lady and she did the whole number. हाय 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 the स्यापा. हाय 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 बेटियां ही बेटियां पाठक खानदान का नाम कौन चलाएगा. As it happens, all the पाठक girls have done damn well. So
to that. तो ये बताओ फिर कितना आपकी माँ, क्योंकि वो खूबसूरत का उनका अगर आप कैरेक्टर में 2-4 बार देख चुका था, क्योंकि स्टडी होती है हर बार फिर वो फिल्म देखते समय, उसमें उनका काफी वोकल मेट्रियार्क लेवल का कैरेक्टर है. तो आप खुद भी वो सब देख रही थी और घर पे क्या आप सीख रही थी और क्या सिखाया जा रहा था आपको?
सिखाया डायरेक्टली कुछ नहीं जा रहा था. But my father was an extremely liberal man.
Really?
He did not feel the need to bemoan the fact that he didn't produce sons. He looked at the two of us and he was happy with us and he treated us just the same way as he would have treated a son.
Yeah.
He would have probably been harsher with the son. So I really respect my dad for that. Coming from the kind of family he did in particular, because it was a very small, conservative, very lower middle class kind of a family from Delhi, Paharganj, you know, that kind of a family. Though all the girls in that family also studied, all my buas, everyone.
That's actually pretty forward for that time.
Absolutely. So that continued. My dad obviously picked up that. And my mother's family was, of course, much more vocal, liberal. So between the two of them, both my parents, they never ever let either Supriya or me feel that we couldn't or shouldn't do something because we were the sex we were.
Yeah.
It was as simple as that. He was the one who insisted that I learn how to drive. He was the one who insisted that I learn how to repair things. He just thought that there are certain skills everyone should have.
बहुत ही
And
बढ़िया.
he was a great cook. My mother, in fact, was a rotten cook, poor thing. When she did get down to doing something, she was okay. But she was very disinterested in cooking. She loved eating, but she didn't want to exert herself. My dad, on the other hand, was a superb cook. So all through my childhood, I remember, coming home from playing around and all that, and finding Baba in the kitchen with a glass of whiskey and cooking.
आई एम रियली फैसिनेटेड बाय द अलावेंस, क्योंकि मैं जब उस समय में अपने आप को इमेजिन करूं अगर, तो जो दायरे होते थे वो ही अलाउ नहीं किया जाता हमको, तो आपको फॉर द लैक ऑफ अ बेटर वर्ड परमिशन थी सब करने की जो भी?
जी बिल्कुल, ऑन द कॉन्ट्री एनकरेजमेंट थी,
वाह यार,
पुश था कि you are not going to just sit around and stay at home, are you? I mean, that would be horrible, wouldn't it? अपनी जिंदगी का कुछ करना पड़ेगा भाई, ऐसे हाथ पे हाथ धर कर नहीं चलेगा कि कोई मुझे खाना खिलाओ मैं आराम से बैठूंगी. Not allowed. I could see that in all my friends. Some of them because of financial considerations. Some people just had to work. We were all pushed. We were all expected to do something to contribute to society.
जब आपकी शादी भी हुई तब you had to fight for it.
A little bit. My dad was not terribly happy, but unfortunately he passed away before we got married. I think he would have come around because by then Nasir had become successful also थोड़ा सा. That's a big difference यार.
Yeah.
बाप को तो फिक्र होती है ना कि तू संभालेगा कैसे? What will they do? मैं तो कुछ कमा नहीं रही थी. वो क्या कमाएगा और हम लोग खाएंगे क्या? But Ma and Nasir had a more rocky relationship.
Oh, yeah.
But they settled also. And eventually Ma became one of his big friends and
Oh,
fans. Absolutely. We didn't have too much trouble. Nasir's family, surprisingly, didn't make a fuss at all. Not once. Nobody ever even mentioned the C word. Convert. Nobody said anything about me.
क्या बात है?
And they just accepted me for what I am. And I'm very, very lucky because I have heard of people who have trouble settling down afterward. They've been friends to me, all of them, including my mother-in-law, who was a very traditional, very homebound kind of person, but extremely liberal
Aware.
in her some way. Because she never ever advised any of us, not even about children, कि बच्चे को ऐसा करना चाहिए, इस तरह से बड़ा करना. Not at all.
Very nice.
She just backed off and watched us live our lives and was there for us as support whenever we needed it.
And there are people जो आप लोगों को आके ये पूछते हैं कि इतने years of being married, what are your hacks and tips? अगर कुछ देना चाहें तो दीजिए type वाला question.
The hacks and tips?
Just
listen to each other, yaar. Actually talk to each other. That's why I say Nasir and I are friends first. It is because we do talk. And certainly we have certain areas that we don't want to share, not only with the partner, but with anyone. There are certain ideas in my head that I have to work out on my own, about myself, about the world around me. I was fortunate because I grew up in a family that encouraged it.
Yeah.
But people who didn't grow up in families like that, Nasir didn't grow up in a family like that. He has actually had to battle and arrive at this position himself. I mean, I respect him and his struggle very much more than my own because I got it easy, frankly. Nasir comes from a very traditional, particular kind of background. For a person out of that kind of environment to be the kind of person he is, he had to make a huge journey himself.
His foot down more heavier than yours.
Yes,
you feel.
much more.
But आपका घर once marriage happened, how egalitarian was that household?
Fairly egalitarian, except that my husband can't cook and he doesn't want to learn. Okay, I can accept that. If somebody doesn't want to do it, they don't want to do it. As simple as that. But in every other way, I don't think there is any fixed role. In fact, that was something Nasir said to me very early on in our relationship, that it's a good idea never to label a relationship. Husband, wife, lover, girlfriend, boyfriend. Why label? If you can just keep yourselves more at the level of human beings interacting, it helps. And luckily, we were able to do that with our children as well. That we didn't have to come down too hard as parents. I don't know if it was a conscious decision, but that's how it turned out. We just felt that we wanted to be able to talk to our children about everything. And they were interested in everything. They were very much part of our lives, our work lives. They came with us to work.
Yeah.
Particularly in the theatre. They ran around backstage since they were 1 year old.
Really?
Yeah. All theatre kids grow up backstage.
That's true.
I grew up backstage. My mom was an actress. I grew up backstage. And it's a great learning because you meet all kinds of people. You learn to deal with all kinds of people. And you realize you know how to temper your responses, your behavior according to who's present.
यार मैं आपको बताऊं, हमारे पास ना कभी एक माँ नहीं आई जो 2 बेटों की माँ हो शो पे, तो आपको ये पूछना जरूरी है, कभी आपने राजा बेटा नहीं किया, वो कैसे अवॉइड कर रही थी और जो प्रेपरेशन या स्ट्रगल फेज होता है वो उनमें कैसे ड्राइव हो रहा था?
Frankly, I didn't try to micromanage their lives. They just had to fight their own battles here. And they did have trouble. It's not as if it was easy for them to accept the fact that, oh, I am not the privileged person that I took myself to be all the time. So they've had to recalibrate their connection with the world.
हाँ हाँ, ये बताओ बॉयज को क्या आप पीरियड या सेक्स एजुकेशन इम्पार्ट कर रही थी किसी भी तरीके से, जस्ट टू मेक देम अवेयर?
अलग से नहीं, but we have a daughter, Nasir's daughter from his first
Correct.
marriage, Hiba, and she was around, so she was big sister to the boys.
Oh, so
They
she
saw what
teased
was
them?
happening. There was no hiding and all that, that we used to do as young girls. I used to do a lot of that. Somehow I grew up in Parsi colony and I thought Parsis are pretty cool about most things, but not about menstruation. वो तो
Really?
constantly they were really silly about menstruation. Nobody talked about it. It was all hush hush hush. So fortunately my mother was not. My mother sat me down and told me what to expect.
बट इन एसेंस सेक्स एजुकेशन फिर आप लोगों को किस तरीके से प्रदान हो रही थी और कहाँ से आप समझ पा रहे थे?
As a child,
हाँ
as a
जी,
younger
हाँ
person,
जी, हाँ जी.
books and
Mills
gossip.
and Boons types? No.
In those days, Mills and Boon were not so क्या कहते हैं?
प्रचलित, easily available.
No, easily available, very easily
हाँ, क्या?
available. Mills and Boon is always around. Enough to screw up your head. Girls, avoid that bloody Mills and Boon if you can help it. Magar, no, not Mills and Boon, because Mills and Boon wasn't so raunchy in those days.
It wasn't.
अभी तो काफी हो गया है. At the end of the book, they got around to kissing each other.
Oh.
And that was your big moment. Lot of gossip available. Girls telling each other, kus. Many misconceptions.
है ना?
Many screw ups in the head. But it was a safer time. You didn't get into so much trouble so easily.
मतलब लेकिन आप इमाद या विवान दोनों को किसी को भी एक रिलेशनशिप एडवाइस देती थी या टॉक्सिक रिलेशनशिप में होते हुए बोलती थी कि यार ये क्या कर रहे हो आप?
I didn't know how toxic any of the relationships were, and I didn't want to know. I don't want to know about my children's love life,
Yeah.
quite honestly.
Yeah.
I'm not in the least bit curious about it.
How come?
These are certain things that you have to do on your own and find your own way. I know that my boys and Hiba, they all three have got a strong enough compass. They are not going to get swayed in ways in which they would be damaging to anyone else. And they have to learn about life on their own, yaar. And it's wonderful because I'm looking at the world through their eyes. And it's a new vision. So you've got to find fresh things. That's why I love working with these young directors
Yeah.
and actors also, because they are looking at the world in such a different way. And I want to participate in this world. I don't want to sit around and say, "Ke hamare zamane mein to." I never want to say that line. Ever.
Can you tell me sisterhood क्या देता है आपको as a human?
That there is a sort of doppelganger around, in the sense that, we've so many shared experiences, we are very different from each other, and yet there is a sense that there's someone like me. So there's that. When we were kids, Supriya and I fought. I was not a good sister. I have to accept that. I was a very big bully, but I'm glad I got all my bullying done then. I was the emotional bully, which is even worse. Maramari karna is easier, nicer,
Yeah.
cleaner.
Yeah, cleaner.
ये जो emotional bullying है ना, it's killer. I hang my head in shame. But I did it. I apologized to Supriya. She's forgiven me. I hope you have na. We are fine.
Coming into the field also, acting wise, there is always this comparison that's made with you and Supriya. वो भी बड़ा हो रहा था, क्यों? तभी उन चीजों को कैसे बैटल करी हो? क्योंकि ब्यूटी स्टैंडर्ड्स तब भी वेग ही रहे हैं, क्यों?
I didn't consider myself good looking. I was very worried about my teeth,
Yeah.
very thin lips, आंखें बड़ी नहीं है, सुप्री की आंखें देखो कितनी अच्छी है. But it didn't really bother me, because I think I was focused on that I wanted to build myself as a whole person, not merely as a person who looks like X or,
But ये समझ तब थी आपको में?
नहीं, consciously शायद नहीं थी. The women I hung with were so not involved with the way they looked. There were many other things we could talk about. This focus on the way you look, the way you dress, the way you present yourself as an attractive person was not so intense, I would think, at that time. At least I was always pushed to think of myself as a person who's going to contribute something useful to the world. So दिमाग चलाओ बेटा, ये क्या जैसी दिखती हो दिखोगी, पर आगे बढ़ाओ, कुछ और सीखो, कुछ और करो. So that was the push.
इंडस्ट्री के बारे में थोड़ी बात करते हैं. इधर उधर जब आई थी तब कितना आपको ऐसा अचंभ हुआ था कि यार ये कहानी इस समय के लिए?
नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं.
नहीं?
ये जो हवा बना हुआ है मोरालिटी का, उस जमाने में नहीं था भाई. हम वो तोड़ रहे थे. That was the whole purpose. That is what my mother had done for me.
She did.
That is what all mothers had done for their daughters. They had given us wings. आज हमारे पर काट रहे हैं. हमको तब on the contrary उड़ान के लिए पूरा जोश मिलता था कि करो अपने मन की. इधर उधर didn't feel strange at all. And now when I look about all this संस्कारी business that's happening all around us, मुझे लगता है कि हाय, वो तो हम दो लड़कियां and एक मर्द जो कि हमारे we were not related to each other.
Yeah.
There was no sexual relationship
No.
between any of us.
Yeah.
It was just three friends living together.
Yeah, roommates कहानी.
Way before Friends came on.
Yes. That's so true.
So that's what I'm saying, कि we are going backward.
ये कब डायल इस तरफ कब घुमा होगा, आपको कभी रियलाइज हुआ?
जब सास बहुएं आई, I was very closely connected to TV, and TV I thought was a pretty good representation of the times. It was a medium that was trying very hard to develop a new language.
हाँ, मैं नीला जी का सांस देखता था मेरी माँ के साथ बैठ के.
There you go. Even जो उस जमाने में संस्कारी लगता था हमको, हम लोग और बुनियाद टाइप की चीजें, हमको लगता था कितने ओल्ड फैशन है ये लोग. मगर द पॉइंट इज, आज के मुकाबले में वो तो एकदम मॉडर्न लगते हैं. दैट इज व्हाट आई कांट गेट माय हेड अराउंड. हाउ कैन सोसाइटी मूव और वांट टू मूव बैकवर्ड? How can we do that? But we seem to be.
उस दशक में the kind of roles being offered, for what reason were they this?
Because what are the kind of films being made? आप फेरिस बना लो उसकी, उसमें किसका काम आपको याद रहेगा? माँ तो या तो क्रूअल या काइंड या सफरिंग या सफर करवाने वाली एक्सेट्रा. It was a very limited view of the world of human beings. I really feel कि now when I look back on those films, some of them had their heart in the right place. They wanted to tell the story correctly. But they were so overwhelmed by the need to not offend anyone. मतलब अच्छे लोग बस अच्छे ही होने चाहिए, बुरे लोग बस बुरे ही होने चाहिए. मोटा मोटा broad strokes में इंसान को देखना. Even in some of the more beautiful films made by the more sensitive guys, Gurdat's films or Bimal Roy's films, I mean the women are constantly diving for their men's feet. आपकी नजरों ने समझा प्यार के काबिल मुझे, ये जो मूड था.
क्यों भाई?
Exactly. मुझे तब भी नहीं समझ में आया था, अब तो मुझे ऑफेंसिव लगता है. But I think for a while I also bought into it.
Everybody, na, even today we romanticize that era of music and we're like, and I'm like, क्या lyrics है?
Yes. This very offhand sexualization of the heroine in our movies, which got much worse.
Yeah.
Earlier देवी से सीधी टाट पे आ गई ना, वो जंप हुआ. It was not a nice thing. Neither the Devi was nice, nor this tart is appropriate for women. I think we are very much more complicated and complex as our men. And it's a pity that our storytelling never wanted to explore the more interesting areas of human beings and human interaction.
ये बहुत ही सही बोली. लिपस्टिक अंडर में बुर्का एक तरीके से उस लीफ का एक वो बुकमार्क लगता है मेरे को. वो तब आई जब उस प्रकार की फिल्में नहीं आ रही थी. उसको भी कठिनाई हुई फाइंडिंग इट्स ऑडियंस.
And it found a small audience. I remember when lipstick was out, I had gone shopping and I was at Baniya's buying something, and this woman came. आप यहाँ? So she said, "Can I tell you something?" So I said, "Yes, please do." Could you tell me why a film made by a woman has such a bleak end for the film? Just to buy myself a little more time. मैंने उनसे कहा कि तो आप बताइए कौन सा end सही होता? She stopped and she thought and she said, हाँ यही था, ये ठीक है.
क्या बात है, क्वेश्चन बाय क्वेश्चन आंसर कर दिया आपने.
It was a very a moment when two people connected over something that they had experienced themselves, seen and had opinion about. We went to a place where we were told that there was a whole bunch of mothers, women and their daughters. Just a women's show, as it were. Mainly lots of mothers and daughters turned up.
क्या बात है.
एक लड़की ने खड़ी होकर कहा, you know, my father, I forced my father to come and see the film with me. So we both went. And he was very quiet, but he didn't say anything detrimental about the film. In fact, he seemed to have liked it, was her feeling. But जब घर आए तो उनके नेबर ने पूछा कि अच्छा पिक्चर देखने गए थे, कौन सी वाली देखने गए थे? तो वो टाइगर श्रॉफ वाली गए थे. उनकी जबान से निकला नहीं कि मैं लिपस्टिक
अंडर में बुर्का देख के. ये ह्यूमन नेचर की जो कॉन्ड्री है, उस पे भी मैं बड़ा फैसिनेट होता हूँ.
बहुत कठिन. और मर्दों के लिए और भी कॉन्ड्री है. हम तो बिल्कुल अभी बेधड़क होके बोलती हैं कि ये गलत है. ये बेचारे कैसे बोलें?
सही बात है
कि जो हमको किया जा रहा है वो गलत है. And not everyone subscribes to the patriarchal tone.
Yeah.
I'm quite certain there are many men who don't, and they are the ones who are poor things suffering because they खुल के बोल भी नहीं सकते और अंदर से इच्छा भी नहीं होती.
पता नहीं क्यों ये ब्रेड विनर एक्स जेंडर को एलोकेशन मिला हुआ है ना उसमें.
That's also very much cultural. In Bombay, anyone who has lived here has often had relations with a bai. हमारी सबकी जिंदगियों में वो काम वाली bai was a very important part of our lives. And they were all breadwinners for their families.
Yes.
They were all women who were in pretty abusive marriages. At least I did not come across many women at that time who were working because they wanted to.
Yeah.
They were in an abusive relationship. Drunk husbands had to work, had to look after the kids. Today it's different. The maid who works for me today, she's not in an abusive relationship. And she's doing it because that's her way of contributing to
That's true.
the family income.
That's true.
And there's a certain difference in dignity and in terms of
The command.
the command that she brings,
Yes.
that she carries with her when
Yeah.
she comes. But otherwise, at those days, I mean, the kind of gory stories we heard from our bais about how they were treated by their husbands
sons also
families,
sometimes.
and their sons, of course.
और ये भी एक patriarchal embedding है जो गलत है, क्यों?
Bilkul. And violence within the family is often because the need for control is there. Because of how things have been in the past
Yeah,
वगैरह.
yeah.
मगर ये जो बदलाव आ रहा है, don't forget बदलाव generation पे होगा ना. So we pass it on. हम एक दूसरे को खो देते हैं. That's how society progresses.
करेक्ट. ये भी तो है ना, देखिए कि हमारे सिनेमा में कुछ कुछ कहानियां ऐसी आई जिन्होंने बोला कि बट ये कहानी में दिखाना जरूरी है, ऐसे कैरेक्टर हैं, ये बताना जरूरी है. और
जरूरी है. अगर आपके पास एक स्टेटमेंट नहीं है तो उसको आप काउंटर कैसे करोगे? काउंटर लाने के लिए वो स्टेटमेंट तो पहले करना पड़ेगा ना आपको. तो अगर आप कह रहे हो कि ये आदमी बहुत ही मेल शॉविनिस्ट पिग है, तो उसको मेल शॉविनिस्ट पिग तो दिखाना पड़ेगा ना पहले, और फिर उसके बारे में आपका क्या नजरिया है. If you are endorsing that male chauvinist pig, then I have a problem with it, because it propagates the old-fashioned ideas about men and women.
यस,
So many girls have told me, ऐसा भी क्या बुरा है? I mean, मर्द ऐसा होना चाहिए ना, थोड़ा सा masculine होना चाहिए ना, थोड़ा सा, he should be a strong one, no? And if I feel that that's an attractive human being, there's something wrong with me then.
बट सारा भाई के बिना बात ना करें ऐसा नहीं हो सकता. इन दैट देयर इज अ लाइन माय प्रोड्यूसर ट्रिप्स ऑन, मतलब वो रील को रिप्ले पे देखती हैं जहां पर आप बोलती हैं कि ये मेरी प्रॉब्लम नहीं है कि आप मर्द हैं. ये आप अपना देख लीजिए. तो ये सब वो कैसे हो रहा था? वो स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ते समय आपको दिख रहा था कि यार इसमें तो मतलब ये सब खेल मजे आएंगे इसको खेलने में.
Absolutely. I mean, it was Atish. I think he is largely responsible for the smartness and the longevity of
साराभाई versus
Sarabhai
साराभाई.
versus Sarabhai.
मतलब ये सेम दिमाग खिचड़ी और साराभाई निकाला है.
And so completely different, the two worlds,
Poles apart.
and so completely mad, both sets of characters.
Yes.
है ना?
Hilarious of different
And
kinds.
according to Atish, they are all taken from his family. He just seems to be like a sponge, absorbing everything. Language, turn of phrase, ऐसा याद रखता है बंदा, बाप रे. It's a joy to listen to him just chatting about something also. So that definitely came in use. When they first came to me, they didn't have a script or anything. They just told me the general idea. And I just immediately said yes to them because it sounded like fun. And then the scripts came, and they really were sharp and smart. Not the first few, he was also still getting his act together. It's really inventive stuff. It's original stuff. That's what I find special about Atish. You may not agree with his humor. You may find it crude. You may dislike it, like it, love it, whatever it is. The point is that you won't find a copy of it.
You've spoken about pay parity. When was it hitting you the first time that you were seeing this happen, and how were you able to voice it?
See, the first two things I did, we were all more or less paid similarly. But with Filmi Chakkar, definitely.
हाँ.
Satish was paid significantly more than I was. And that's when it bothered me. I thought it was unfair, but I didn't raise that as an issue. Maybe I should have.
क्यों रह गया issue? Sorry if I'm
Maybe I did not think that I was in a position to raise that issue. And it just was so accepted. That's such a problem. When you want to go counter to that which is just, everyone accepts it ना. तुम कौन होती हो बीच में बोलने वाली? वो तुम कौन होती हो? मैं ये होती हूँ बीच में बोलने वाली. उसके लिए मेरे पास उस समय दम नहीं था. होना चाहिए था मगर नहीं था.
अब आपको क्या लगता है सेट की जो कमराडरी है, जो लोग बाग देखती हो आप, अब सेट का क्या माहौल है?
Oh, there's plenty of flirtation and sex happening, I'm sure, on the set.
But वो वर्कप्लेस वाली
वर्कप्लेस वाला है
actually.
मामला.
हाँ जी.
वर्कप्लेस वाला मामला है, डायनामिक है. But if it's consenting adults, and they are usually consenting and often single adults, so what's the problem?
Yeah.
It doesn't get in the way of your work.
Yeah. That
Nobody's
just
hooching off in between, you know, disappearing for 3 hours and holding everyone else up. Also, I think that men and women are working together as individuals and as people rather than as representatives of a certain gender. And I'm finding that across the board. It's not just the actors. On the contrary, the actors are probably the most old-fashioned and the most tedious of the lot. But crew mein to bilkul. I'm very, very happy to see how people in the crew, men and women, talk to each other. They talk to each other as
Equals.
individuals. I hated the hierarchy that I saw on set earlier, where somebody is bowed and scraped to and the other is treated like shit.
या ये सर वाला जो रहा वो बड़ा cathartic रहा process.
Bilkul. And I think that is one of the big advantages. And now people are much more open about the idea of sex. So they're not hiding. Like, I mean, once upon a time, women in the film industry, lots of them smoked, but all would go inside a bathroom and go poo 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 poo. My other aunt, Shanta, would smoke right in front of everyone else. But I have to make this point. Nowadays, the idea of a modern woman is one who smokes and drinks. Number of scripts I've had to turn down because modern auntie क्या होती है, modern mummy क्या होती है, modern grandmother क्या होती है, वो बैठ के सुट्टा मारती है. Really, modernity is in your head. It is how you treat other people. It's not what you wear and what you eat and what you talk.
बट आप अपना जो फेमिनिज्म थी वो किसी और प्रकार में देखती थी?
मेरा फेमिनिज्म मुझसे अलग तो नहीं है. I do make my point strongly. I am not afraid of speaking up. I am not afraid of trying out new things. So that's what I am. What I realized at some point is मुझे क्या चाहिए out of life. Simple thing is ये मैं कैसे करूँगी फिर? कभी कभी झगड़ा करके लेना पड़ता है, कभी कभी प्यार से बात करके लेना पड़ता है, कभी कभी उसको इग्नोर करना पड़ता है, वो खुद ब खुद चल के आ जाती है अपने पास चीज. There are ways of getting your own way. If you're focused on what you want to get, you'll find a way to do it without hurting others around you.
ये बताइए, because we don't have the privilege of getting women who've had menopause, so approaching it, just going through it, and after, what is life like and what kind of preconceptions were there existing in your head?
Not too many preconceptions, thankfully, but it is a huge change. I mean, you know that menstruation is going to come your way. It's something to celebrate. Menstruation is made a big thing about in our society.
वही तो.
But menopause is one of those things where nobody thinks about it only. Because I think पहले ज़माने में तो औरतें मरी जाती थी उससे पहले, तो वही ख़त्म हो जाएगा मामला. मेरी फैमिली में भी कोई स्पेसिफिकली किसी ने जिक्र किया हो, माँ ने या कुछ, मुझे याद नहीं है. But I have to say I was quite taken aback and surprised by the changes during menopause. They can be quite overwhelming.
Oh, really?
In the sense that you start questioning a lot of things that you held yourself very firm about.
जैसे कि?
And your place in the world, your relationships, the way you feel about your own body, many things, you know. You had a certain drive towards a particular thing and suddenly it stops meaning as much.
Oh, damn.
Suddenly it starts feeling unnecessary, unwelcome. The changes that are happening inside your head mainly. So those are the things that really took me by surprise. The mood swings took me by surprise. I don't know, at that time of your life, you're also grappling, at least women like me who are professional women, we are grappling with other things. You're grappling with the fading of your professional life also. You're dealing with changes in your social life and your existence. You walk down the road and you've got white hair, somebody's bound to say, hey, Bundi. So these are the kind of things that shape
You're also
you
working
up.
towards. Yeah.
And these are the kind of things that you have to work out by yourself.
आपके लिए रेड फ्लैग्स एक रिलेशनशिप में क्या है?
Maybe going into a restaurant and the guy ordering on your behalf, I wouldn't like that. The desire to patronize a woman, that bothers me. Or anyone else, actually.
Yes.
I dislike an older person patronizing a younger person also. It's as stupid as that.
Correct.
Lying is a red flag.
100%.
I think that just shows that the person is very, very unhappy with himself or herself. And therefore, it's a person who's going to need a lot of looking after and work. And do I want to really make the effort? I often think. And this is not just in a sexual relationship or anything. I'm just talking about any relationship. And courage is something that, or lack of courage would be a red flag. Inability to stand up for yourself. That definitely would bother me.
कि आप खुद के लिए नहीं खड़ा हो पा रहे हैं तो आप पार्टनर के लिए कैसे खड़े होंगे? ये बताओ फिर ग्रीन फ्लैग्स क्या हैं आपके हिसाब से?
Humor, shared interests, and a willingness to change. Because any relationship changes both parties. So if you are not going to accept that change, and if you keep wanting what you thought was the right thing, it becomes very difficult to deal with a person like that.
ये बताइए, अगर आपकी 16 साल की सेल्फ को कोई मैसेज देना होता और किसी तरीके से टाइम ट्रैवल मुमकिन हो गया है तो क्या मैसेज होता?
अपने लिए जरा ज्यादा सोचती तुम, अपने लिए जरा ज्यादा सपने देखती और वो सपनों को साकार करने के लिए कोशिश करती तो बेहतर होता. कोई बात नहीं, नेक्स्ट लाइफ मिलेगी तब ट्राई करेंगे.
कैसा लगा आपको हमसे बात करके?
बहुत मजा आया.
हाँ जी.
इंटरेस्टिंग क्वेश्चंस.
आर यू अ हगर?
यस.
थैंक यू. मुझे बहुत आनंद आया, लेकिन अगर आप लोग को ये मजा आया, देख के कंटेंट अच्छा लगा तो हॉटरफ्लाई को सब्सक्राइब जरूर कर लीजिएगा. लाइक, कमेंट एंड शेयर. दिस इज मी सिद्धार्थ आलम साइनिंग ऑफ.